Welcome to the CPC exam mixed practice drill. This video is designed to test your coding and compliance skills across various scenarios. Here are the instructions. Pause the video at each question to try answering before the solution appears. Feel free to comment your answer below. Question 1 focuses on ICD-10CM coding. A patient is diagnosed with type 2 diabetes with neuropathy. Which ICD-10CM code applies? The correct answer is E11.40 for type 2 diabetes with neuropathy. This is an example where a combination code applies. Question 2 deals with CAPTAIN coding. A physician performs a laparoscopic cholecystectomy. What is the applicable CAPTAIN code? The solution is 47562, which is the code for a laparoscopic cholecystectomy. CPT guidelines require a procedure-specific code. Question 3. Test your knowledge of HCPCS. A patient receives oxygen equipment. Which HCPCS code category applies to this equipment? The answer is E codes, which cover durable medical equipment. HCPCS Level 2 is used for supplies and equipment. Finally, question 4 is about compliance. If a coder bills for a service that was not documented, is this considered fraud or abuse? The correct classification is fraud. Fraud involves intentional deception for the purpose of receiving payment. Mixed practice helps simulate the real CPC exam experience. Subscribe to CPC Coding Academy for more tutorials, quizzes, and career tips. Look out for our next video, a full-length CPC exam mock test.